Okay, guys, there is need update on PiNetwork. Say many of you cannot read it. So many of us are feeling lazy to read it. So we are going to read it together. Understand? So that's what I shall be doing. So anytime they update new something, we are going to read it together. So once you open your once you open your PiNetwork app, understand, you will see read more. You click on it, then I read together. Understand? Pi app update, code download, upload features and users experience improvements. Now, Pi App Studio update, code download, upload feature and user experience improvement. Pi App Studio now features a new capability that lets creators both download their apps code and upload custom code, alongside a series of updates that improve the overall creator and users experience. The App Studio remains a product focused on facilitating non-technical people to create, deploy and run online apps. However, such new functionalities offers an option and flexibility for modifying apps on the code level. This update also makes the App Studio more useful for technical developers who can use Pi App Studio to rapidly prototype apps and then continue developing on top of those prototypes. Since the App Studio make Pi integration and app deployment simple, developers can save time and focus on building their actual product. Pi App Studio also introduce other features to make app creation more organized, accessible, and intuitive. This includes a new management interface, new option for apps management, my apps page improvement, general user experience, update, and more. This is part of a continuing effort to empower pioneers and developers with AI assistant tools to build apps and utilities within the Pi ecosystem. Downloading and uploading code. The new code downloaded and upload capability marks a step forward for Pi App Studio in bridging creator and developer experiences. Creators can download the source code. Creators can download the source code of the apps they created through Pi App Studio, make edits locally, and then re-upload the customized version directly back into the App Studio. Creators can then continue to make further revision again using the App Studio. This option up deeper creative control, whether it is refining functionality, personalizing the user interface, or anything else. This flexibility allows for hybrid development workflow. Creators can use Pi App Studio built-in tools to create apps without being technical, and then work in other development environments to revise them. If they invite other technical collaborators to join or learn how to code themselves, for instance, a creator can create an app through Pi App Studio, export the code to fine-tune a specific features or add specific design that can be developed outside of the App Studio, and then re-upload the supplemented version back to Pi App Studio to continue their creation in a non-technical way, all while maintaining compatibility with the Pi ecosystem. The code download upload option also expands the usefulness of Pi App Studio to technical developers. Developers can use the App Studio to create a prototype app and export the code outside the App Studio to continue further development. They can also upload existing code of an app with certain capability requirements into the App Studio to benefit from the App Studio capability and simplicity of integration and Pi app deployment into the Pi ecosystem. Both routes would allow developers to focus their time on building their products rather than logistics, speeding up the overall development and deployment pace of Pi apps in the ecosystem. Together, these features bring Pi App Studio closer to a versatile Pi app creation and development platform, empowering pioneers and developers to scale up app creation and deployment in a way that moves beyond templates and creates custom utilities they envision that interrogate seamless across the Pi ecosystem. Now, if you are reading this, you see where they write watch the feature demo to see how it was. You click on click on it, this thing now. You click on this, you watch the demo. Now, management interface for apps. Creators can access a management page for their individual apps. This includes general app editing and sharing options in addition to new features, such as allowing creators to upload preview images for the app's description in the ecosystem interface in the Pi browser or PiNet, helping creators to better showcase their apps and contract more users. Share a link to their apps with the app's logo as the thumbnail in the Fireside forum. Pi App Studio channel. This helps promote their apps presence within the community for users adoption. Delete the app which was previously not an option for creators. Allow them to keep their creators interface clean, organized, and up to update. My app page improvement. The My App page improvement now includes sorting and searching options, helping creators to easily locate and manage apps as they create more projects. Apps in My Apps page have a drop-down menu that allows creators to remain manager or delete the app. Okay. General updates. Creators can choose how much Pi to add up to 100 Pi for use in Pi App Studio. This improves the creator's experiences, since previously only one Pi could be loaded at a time. The app creation limit has been increased to 100 from 10, allowing for more iteration, creativity, and diverse utilities. Overall UI and UX improvement. Improve the App Studio design interface and users experience. For example, creators can now correct edit chatbot after customizing the app with Pi AI, which was previously disabled. Create and use Pi App Studio apps. Pioneers are encouraged to create apps through Pi App Studio, which can be accessed in the Pi browser or Pi desktop app, with guided workflow for AI assistant app creation and the new code download and /upload features. Creators of any technical level can utilize the App Studio to build and deploy real apps and products in the Pi ecosystem. To explore App Studio apps already deployed by the community, pioneers can go to the Pi Apps tab in the Pi browser and tap the App Studio button. Understand? So that's all for now. This way stuff. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Invite your friends to subscribe for more updates. I love you. Nice day. No, this thing.